Good evening, Microlanders, and good morning and good afternoon to Microlanders across the world. Good evening to the extended Microland family, esteemed partners, and dear friends. A very warm welcome to you. Welcome to the culmination of Microland's 35th anniversary. We had the Microland Family Day yesterday, which was attended by over 1,700 Microlanders and their families. And earlier this afternoon, we had the Stars of Microland event, which was felicitating and recognizing 88 Microlanders who have completed 10, 20, 30, and 35 years with the company. This final celebration is a testament to the incredible journey Microland has embarked upon over the past 3.5 decades. First, none of this would have been possible without support. First, support from my family, Kalpana and Pranika. Support from my family, my sister and her husband, 2 sisters, and dear friends over 35 years, who are now more family to us. A special thanks to our strategic partners as well, without whose support we would not be here today. Thank you for being here with us this evening. At our 35th anniversary, there could not have been a better person who could reignite Team Microland and also set the tone for the next 35 years. None other than Nandan Nilekani, who needs no introduction and is best known as the iconic visionary Chief Digital and Technology Officer of India. His strategic foresight, his ability to imagine the future, build meaningful relationships, interconnect the dots, and build teams that execute at scale while managing complexities in parallel make him a truly exceptional and special person. After building the foundation of India's digital infrastructure with Aadhaar, Nandan has rolled out UPI, ONDC, the India Digital Stack, and is now busy conceiving and rolling out how digital can transform the delivery of health, energy, finance, and other public services seamlessly to its citizens, and continuing to transform India to a meaningful digital powerhouse. I'm specifically touched that Rohini Nilekani, the acclaimed writer, the author, the philanthropist, has agreed and joined this evening. Thank you, Rohini. Thank you, Nandan and Rohini, for your gracious and spontaneous acceptance. Nandan and Rohini have been our dear friends for over 35 years and have seen Microland's evolution from day one. Nandan wrote the foreword for our 25-year coffee table book and also has graciously written the foreword for our 35-year coffee table book, which he will unveil later today. Thank you, Nandan. And more so, he has and continues to be a mentor to me, and I often go to him to bounce all the thoughts and what I need to do in Microland, while he may be with Infosys, but I know Nandan will give me the best advice that I need to do. Thank you, Nandan, again for your generous time, support, and advice over the years. We have also been blessed to have a very supportive board, and 2 of them, Raja is here, and Revati should be coming in for being with us here. Thank you, Revati. We were expecting you on that table earlier today. 35 years is not just a number. It's a testament of an unwavering commitment to our customers and our employees. It is also a reflection of a resilience, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Over the past 3.5 decades, Microland has transformed from a small startup to a global IT infrastructure services leader. We have witnessed the evolution of technology from its infancy to its present-day omnipresence. We've been at the forefront of every technology revolution, from the rise of the personal computer to the advent of networking to the advent of the internet, and now the era of AI and automation. Our success is a result of the collective efforts of every Microlander. Your dedication, your passion, and expertise have been the driving force behind all our achievements. Like any other company, we have had our ups and downs. But we have always navigated the winds, embraced change, seized opportunities, and emerged bigger, better, and stronger. Through these changes, we have managed to retain the essential character of Microland, an entrepreneur. After always waking up with the same passion and drive each morning that we went to bed the night before, staying resilient and adaptable, with a willingness to pivot when necessary to meet changing market conditions. We always believed that we can and are the most trusted problem solvers for our customers, disrupting the industry with innovative thinking. And we have never hesitated to take risks, even if that means giving our customers more than what they contracted with us for. And above all, we have stayed committed to the values of Microland, namely customer centricity, excellence, ingenuity, integrity, and respect, more than anything else. When I returned to India in 1989, I had a vision of starting a company with a culture that would lead transformative initiatives for its employees and customers and for India. I knew the opportunity awaited us and that our destiny would be linked to Bangalore, with Bangalore's growth as the Silicon Valley of India. In those pre-venture capital days, we launched ourselves as a pioneer in enterprise networking in India. I had seen how networks were transforming the West and believed India should not remain behind. As a company, we started crafting robust relationships like Novell, Compaq, Cisco, and Netscape. Much like a master winemaker selects the finest grapes to create a world-class vintage, we ended up building a business with the depth and the complexity of fine wine. The goal was very simple: build an IT company with revenues of 250 million rupees in 5 years. That would have then, in our parlance, made us a mid-sized company. By 1996, we crossed the 100 billion rupee in revenues to become the fastest growing Indian IT company. We were voted the #1 networking company in India by IDG and the best networking company of the year by Computer World. And we knew we were doing something right. In April 1998, Microland decided to pivot. The internet was changing the world, and we decided to pioneer the internet economy in India. We exited the hardware business, and we set up a raft of companies, namely India.com, PlanetAsia.com, ITSpace.com, Media to India, and finally, NetBrahma.com. By 2002, Microland saw a growing opportunity with the advent of telecom networks in remote infrastructure management services. The time was right. Listen to your intuition, take risks, and reinvent the company. The internet companies were sold, and we quickly pioneered to be the third wave of Indian IT outsourcing. We had the confidence of a seasoned winemaker, a quality we still hold dear, and we were willing to reshape the very process, just as a winter might experiment with new techniques to craft an exceptional wine. We were willing to change the rules by which we lived. By 2007, we were leading in the IT infrastructure services space. It was somewhere around this time that we began to realize the power of automation, and later AI would play a significant role in delivering and managing our services. We began investing in R&D, and by 2023, this resulted in Intelligeny, a groundbreaking, first-of-its-kind AI ops platform. In 2014, we could see that customers would embrace digital transformation to drive agility, efficiency, and customer experience. The world was changing, technology was changing, and we had added a mobile-first, cloud-native, born digital approach to our offerings, ensuring we could make digital happen for our customers, not only for our customers, but for our employees through Microland One. Today, we have come a full circle. Our self-belief, intuition, and experience tells us that organizations will want to strengthen the foundation of the digital estates. It is networks that underpin the functionality and efficiency of modern digital systems, supporting productivity and innovation at the most fundamental level. We have therefore changed the byline from making digital happen to connect with the best, which is a reflection of a commitment to fostering connections that elevate our industry and our client success. It underscores our dedication to bringing together the best talent, the best solution, the best platforms, and technologies to create unparalleled value for our customers. We are ready once more to dream, dare, and deliver, just as we were in 1989, 35 years ago. We have added, with the Microland Foundation, a fresh dimension on how we should look at ourselves and the light in which we review our achievements. Microland Foundation ensures we become and remain an integral part of society, committed to creating lasting change and fostering self-reliance in the communities we serve. When I launched Microland 35 years ago, I did not imagine all this would come to pass. I did not imagine we would be a global organization that would have built a massive roster of loyal employees with passionate, committed, and loyal leadership, many with tenures of more than 20 years, and that AI and automation would be heart of everything we do, making us write what will be the most interesting chapter in our history so far. Our 35th anniversary milestone is a testament to the dedication, creativity, and hard work of Microlanders, including ex-Microlanders. We could not have stood here on the threshold of 35 successful years without their hard work, commitment, and contribution. And on behalf of the entire executive leadership team, I would want to express my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to them. As we continue to build our legacy, we are committed to embracing the future with renewed energy and a refreshed vision, and we'll forge new paths and achieve even more significant milestones. Thank you for being an integral part of our story. And as we toast 35 years of success, we look forward to a future with optimism and determination, where we dream, dare, and deliver to write the next chapter in Microland's success story, a chapter that will be even more remarkable than that one that we celebrate today. Once again, thank you for joining us on this momentous occasion, and here's to 35 more years of innovation, growth, and success. Enjoy the evening.